you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today's video is a deep clean with me. I really need to do some deep cleaning around the house, and there are going to be two parts of this deep cleaning session. So in today's video I'm going to clean our bedroom and kitchen, and I'm starting in the bedroom. I don't have much to do here. I'm just going to take down the curtains and wash them because they were pretty dusty, and while they are washing I'm going to clean the windows.
Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till
And now the curtains are already washed, so I will hang them back up so they can dry. And after that I'm also going to make the bed so I can move to the kitchen next.
could do this right? We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. Some kind of magic, you came into my life, and with that bedhead, you give me falling twice. Yeah, you're an angel and always on my mind. I wanna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky and the hum of the motor.
Here I'm going to start with taking out the trash and washing the trash can. Our trash can isn't dirty or gross or anything like that because I always use bags and I clean it right away if something spills, because I can't stand the smell of dirty trash can like probably most of the people. I just like to properly wash it from time to time because it does get dusty in the cracks on the bottom, which I can't reach if I'm just wiping it with a paper towel. And I'm just going to leave it to air dry here in the bathtub.
That you only want me. That you only want me. tell you, you see it in my eyes. I wanna travel, let's drive into the sunrise. Where your heart is where I wanna lie. Just wanna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky and the heart on the motor. It's so much better off alone. If I could live all my life tonight, we're living on the road. I wouldn't die, 'cause there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side, never gonna let you go. Tell me
Moving to the microwave, and I'm taking the microwave and everything that I have on this dishwasher off so I can clean it, and I will also wipe down the backsplash here, and I'm using my new all-purpose cleaner and I really love it. It smells so good. This one is scented like green tea and it works amazing too. I'm not sure if you can get it if you're not from here because I think it's Slovenian company and they don't ship anywhere else, but I just wanted to share that with you. For now I only got this one, and next time I will definitely get more because I want to try them. They also have dish soaps, laundry detergents, bathroom cleaners, and I'm sure it's a lot more, and they're also eco-friendly.
I wanna stay by your side, never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. I wanna hear you say I wanna stay by your side, never gonna let you go.
You can see how dusty this microwave was on the top here, so I'm going to wipe it down, move everything back, and then clean the inside.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong.
The inside wasn't that dirty, so I'm just going to wipe it all down with my all-purpose cleaner.
With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now, 'cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and
I'm also going to clean the oven, and I'm spraying it with the degreaser, and I will let it sit for a couple of minutes, and while I'm waiting I will put away the dry dishes and then wash the dirty ones.
baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves
I really love this degreaser because it gets everything off. I didn't clean my oven since the beginning of December and I didn't even have to scrub it that hard.
Another season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind. Got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what
I'm turning on the oven for a couple of minutes to get rid of the smell from the cleaner, and in the meantime I'm going to scrub this oven rack.
I'm all alone down the steady road, just full of thoughts about to explode. Facing the night, even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me.
I'm also going over with glass cleaner and paper towel, and after I'm done with that, I'm going to take everything from the counter and wipe down the backsplash, countertop and the stovetop.
There's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I gotta get away from here. I gotta get it through my head that even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town. This feeling has me stepping down. But I don't wanna have to break too much longer. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me.
Now I'm going to put away all those dishes that I washed before and then scrub the entire sink with my R Scrub Cream Cleaner, and I will also wipe down the rest of the backsplash.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh. how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, it's when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on.
Next, I'm going to wipe down all the cabinet doors with wet cleaning cloth and my all-purpose cleaner, and I will dry them with a dry kitchen towel at the end. I used to do this once a week, but now I do it once a month because I don't think it's necessary to clean this once a week. If I see a lot of fingerprints on one of the doors, I clean it then, but I clean them all once a month or when I think it's necessary.
It all just goes away. The things I plan to say. Oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, and all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. It sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you.
And that is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss part 2 of me deep cleaning the rest of the house. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!
Nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.